Welcome to the web browser tutorial. This tutorial will cover the 4 steps required to create a web browser screen. First, we'll look at accessing the Lightbox 3 manager. Secondly, we'll look at creating a web browser page. Next, we'll create a theme for the web browser. Then lastly, we'll go through whitelisting in the settings. To access the manager, hold the bottom left of the screen for 5 seconds. You will now see a series of options. Choose Launch Manager and input your PIN. The default PIN is 874100. We're now in the manager. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to reset the Lightbox data to then create web browser pages from scratch. The web browser must be linked to from a menu screen. For a more in-depth look at the menu screen system, check out the Menu and Attractor tutorial. There's a link in the description. First head to the Screens tab, then press the plus icon and hit Menu to create a new menu. There's 3 main tabs for menu screens: General, Menu Options, and Layout. In General, we're able to attach the screen to a theme, add a custom background, and type a title and description. In Menu Options, we're able to add our web browser as well as link to other screens. First, press the plus icon. Select Show Website from Action Type, then type the URL you want to display. Hidden navigation controls will remove the top controls of the browser like so. Whilst hiding the title will remove the title like so. You can then choose an image from your library for the icon. For more information on the Lightbox 3 library, see our overview tutorial. You can then set a label. You can link to multiple different websites from the menu screen by following the same process. Select your action type to show website. Put in a URL. Set an image. And a label. Lastly, the Layout tab will let you make any adjustments to the icon sizes like so. You can link to as many websites as you want in this way. Hit Save once you're done. You can customize the appearance of your web browser in the Theme section. To create a theme, first head to the Themes tab and either create a new theme from the plus icon or duplicate an existing theme like so. Set a theme name. Then head to the Web Browser tab. Here you can customize various aspects of the browser. The Navbar Style section allows you to adjust the navigation bar, including the color, border styles, and font styles. The Nav Button Style section allows you to adjust various elements of the navigation buttons, such as the fill color, border, and indication color. Whilst below this, you can change the nav button icons themselves. It's worth noting that the theme panel is also where you can customize the menu itself. For more information on this, please watch the Attractor and menu tutorial. The link is in the description. Once you're happy with the theme, hit Save and apply the theme to your menu screen. To do this, we need to go to the Screens tab. go to your menu and under the Style section, choose this theme from the drop-down. This will apply the new theme, as you can see here. The web browser app allows you to whitelist which sites you want to allow access to, and essentially blacklist any other website. This is great for locking your browser down to just the sites you want people to browse. This is done in the Settings tab. Under Apps, select Edit Settings and enable site filtering. Those sites you have already linked to within Lightbox 3 will automatically be added to the whitelist. If you would like to add any additional sites such as those that branch off from the site that you have already linked to, you can do that here like so. You can choose to whitelist the entire site or just the page linked to. That's about it for the web browser tutorial. If you have any questions, please get in touch. For more information on other tutorials, go to blackbox-av.co.uk/lightbox. Thanks for watching.